Michael doesn't know that I'm making these and he loves them. But this is going to be a surprise for him. I told Teresa and some of the ladies, that do manage our our websites and all that stuff, which is so foreign to me. Thank God that I've got some good folks that know what they're doing. But I've been telling Teresa, I said, Teresa, there are incredible recipes in this Celebrates book. In fact, it's like up there in the top 5.
It's only taken me 3 years to listen to you.
I know. Sometimes you're hard to get it.
And I even told on myself.
Yep. But this is just full of wonderful recipes. And they're also like menus. All right, let's see. All right. Oh, this is no, that's not from the wedding. This is a New Year's Eve brunch. And it's just a suggestion because you know what? I love cooking. I don't mind cooking. But planning what I'm going to cook, I just detest. Just please tell me what you'd like and I'll fix that. But having to come up with it is just my least favorite part. So this is where this book comes in very handy for you folks out there that are like me. Love to cook it, but don't like to plan it. So anyway, Teresa got this email, and I've just got to share this with y'all. It's from Karen Lucas out of Melbourne, Florida. She said, Paula, Deen, I just wanted to tell you that I baked your blueberry gem muffins today. Even the blueberries were from Georgia. And it is the all capital letters, best muffin recipe ever. Thank you so much. Can't count the times I have used this recipe. Love you. And I love you too, Karen. Thank you so much for sending me this sweet email. Because when Teresa saw the blueberry gems were in the Celebrates book, guess what? I got her started cooking out of Celebrates book. So anyway, these are super simple, as blueberry muffins normally are. The one tip I can give you about making blueberry muffins is do not overdo them. Don't overdo them. Overmix them. You want to just mix them until the flour to your dry ingredients are moist. Because if you do it too long, it just makes them tough. So I'm using my whisk to whisk together the flour and the sugar. Won't take any lumps out of it. All right. Now I've got my milk, my vanilla flavoring, which is perfect. I love the flavor of vanilla. My all. And then my 2 beaten eggs. I'm going to kind of make a little well in there. And I am going to add my all, my eggs, my milk, and my vanilla all in here. And I'm just going right down in that well with that. And I'm just going to mix it until all the flour and sugar is moist. One thing I love about making muffins is I don't have to pull out a mixer. And to me, that's always a bonus. All right, so everything looks moist. All right. My beautiful blueberries. A cup, and they're so big and so luscious looking. Now see, there's some flour that's not gotten the moisture. See down there at the bottom. So as I fold in the blueberries, I'll get any of that flour that was in the bottom that is not wet. Okay. I think that will do it to it. The recipe says it'll make 18, but that really depends on how big your scoops are. And when you're baking cookies or muffins, you want to make sure that all your sizes are the same, because you don't want one to still have raw in the center when the other one's done. So it's real important that it be like measured out, you know. Okay, Clarice, you can have
You
that
used your
one.
vanilla already?
Yeah,
Okay.
so I've got an ice cream scoop, and I don't know. It doesn't appear to have a. All right, doesn't appear to have a size on it, but like I said, it's just important that, and you want to fill these about 2/3, a half to 2/3, unless you want a fatter muffin. So that it's just that simple, y'all. This recipe is supposed to make 18, but I have a little heavier hand, so I actually could have gotten a baker's dozen. I could have gotten one more muffin out of that, but I didn't want to pull out a whole pan for one muffin. But we're gonna put them in the oven, a 375 oven, and we're gonna cook them from anywhere from 23 to 25 minutes, you know, until they're puffy and nice golden brown. Well, here are the blueberry gems that Karen sent me, that she has been making for years, and it's in the Celebrates cookbook. So I'm so happy that she sent me this note, because there is wonderful recipes in Celebrates book. So if you see one, you might want to grab it, because I don't think they're any more in print. So look at these gems. Look at these gems, y'all. I'm going to get in here before Michael comes in here. Now, I think we cooked these for exactly 23 minutes. Was it 23 minutes, Teresa? Exactly. Or maybe 24.
No, I was pretty close to my 23 mark.
Okay.
You added another 2 minutes, and I'd added a half.
Yeah.
So.
Look at that. And this is supposed to make 18, but as you can see, I have a heavy hand. Oh.
Perfect.
Karen?
I was about to say, I cannot believe you're not putting butter on it.
Well, the party ain't over yet. Got to have just a little bite of butter. So glad you loved it, Karen. And thanks for reminding me of some of the wonderful, wonderful recipes in this book. So, girl, I'm sending you love and best dishes, along with a whole bunch of thanks.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell, to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.